Everything's all prepped, ready to install. I'm going to tell you right now, by experimenting with the old plate with the old seal, is that there's not a lot of movement. And when I put this in and use the alignment tool, it actually sat high. So when I stick it in, I'm going to have to put these bottom bolts in first to suck it down. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some silicone in here behind, underneath, and then go up top where the bolt is and all the way across the face. It's on the bottom. I'm going to use this stuff here, the right stuff. And we got 5 minutes to do it. Once we set it up, 106 inch-pounds for the bottom bolts, 18 foot-pounds for the rest. Let's hope this goes smooth. And I'm using OEM parts. Do not mess around. So as I said, I'm gonna go behind here because I don't want any issues. So what you want to do is make sure it's cleaned. I've already cleaned it off. I'm just spraying those corners because those corners are very important. And I put a big gob of them in those corners and just up on the sides, just because I don't want any kind of problems or issues. And those are kind of like the most common points that it leaks. Now to the camera view. Unfortunately, because there's not a lot of room underneath there, I'm just siliconing the bottom of that cover and then wiping it on with my finger. And then kind of put it at an angle, slide her in. Like I said before, it's important to get those bottom bolts in first because they will suck it down. And once you get those in, you can see it suck down. So now I'm just taking the impact gun on the lowest setting just to get it down into place before we torque it down to 18 inch-pounds, which is very important. All right, this bottom one's 106 inch-pounds. Oops. It's important to do these first because it'll suck this piece down, is which you want. So this is down to 18 foot-pounds of torque, which is not a lot. I always like to go around my bolts after I'm done to make sure they're torqued, because when I went around, I actually forgot to torque up this one. So remember, 18 foot-pounds and 106 inch-pounds. That's all taken care of. And there you have it. You just spent hours of labor to take off the transmission and everything else just to replace the rear engine seal, which takes about 10 minutes, and then you're going to spend hours of labor to put everything back together. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, and good luck.